Welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video we are doing a sowing to germination sage seeds. Let's get into it. What I'm going to do is some I'm going to plant into soil and the paper towel like I usually do, and then I'm going to drop 4 of these in here for 24 hours, and then tomorrow I'll plant the others in the soil and the ones that got soaked. Okay, so it's been 24 hours now that the seeds are soaking over here. So 4 for those 4 will go in here. I'll use this so that I know which ones were soaked. So it will be the soaked ones in here, the non-soaked ones in here, and the other non-soaked ones in the paper towel. So here's the ones that have been soaked, and it does feel a bit softer, so let's plant them. So let's get water in. Okay, let's get them in the Ziploc bag. Day 3. Nothing yet has sprouted in the soil. Let's check the Ziploc bag. Okay, so nothing yet in the Ziploc bag. So it's day 4. Nothing yet has sprouted in the soil. Let's check the Ziploc bag. Okay, so 1 has sprouted. Day 6, nothing yet in the soaked seeds. Nor is there anything coming out from the seeds that I just planted. Let's check the Ziploc bag. Okay, so it's still just the one over here, but it did get much bigger. Day 7, and as you can see, the ones that are soaked have germinated. Just 1 out of the 4 has germinated in here, and nothing yet in the ones that I did not soak. And let's check the Ziploc bag. So I'll say, if you do want a good germination rate with sage, plant at least 12, because out of the 12, as you see, 2 has germinated so far. But let's wait and see another few days how the others are doing, because this one and that did not open yet. So I'm going to plant this one in here with the ones that was soaked, because this is the first time I'm growing sage, so I'm not sure how long it's going to survive in here, so I want to get it into soil as soon as possible. Day 9. So this was the one that I soaked, and this morning when I came to check up, it was laying outside of the pot. That's because this thing was like this, and then I think my dog hit it, and then it all flew out. So this one just died. But anyways, this one was the one I transferred from the paper towel to the soil, and then finally the ones I did not soak has germinated. Now let's check the Ziploc bag. So 2 of the seeds just fell out of here now, but as I can see, this one did not yet germinate, neither did that 2. But 1 of this did, and 1 was soaked as well. So it takes 9 days for the ones what you directly sow. So I think you should soak your seeds actually for about like 48 to 72 hours. I only did for 24 hours, but that will work much better out than directly sowing them in. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It will be linked down below. And if you would like to see other seeds, you can just comment down below which seeds you like to see me germinate. So thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.